I'm Bill Keller, founder of LivePrayer.com, and your host for this special look at where was Barack Hussein Obama really born. Was it in Hawaii, as he claims, or was it in Kenya, as his paternal grandmother claims? In his official bio, President Obama claims his parents met at the University of Hawaii in 1960. His father was a foreign student from Kenya, his mother from Wichita, Kansas. They eventually married in February of 1961, and President Obama was born in Hawaii on August 4, 1961, at the Kapiolani Medical Center for Women and Children in Honolulu, though some family members claim he was born at the Queen's Hospital in Honolulu. However, President Obama's paternal grandmother, as well as his half-brother and half-sister, claim he was actually born in Kenya. His father and mother had come to Kenya to meet his father's family, and it was during that trip that he was born. Of course, this issue could be resolved very simply by President Obama producing his birth certificate. For some reason, he's refused. Instead, he's posted online a certificate of live birth, which does not in any way prove he was actually born in Hawaii. This short-form document is easily obtainable for children not born in Hawaii, while the state of Hawaii official long-form birth certificate includes information such as the name of the hospital, the attending physician, other pertinent details found in any official birth certificate. Not only has the president failed to produce his official Hawaii birth certificate, he has spent hundreds of thousands of dollars in legal fees to stop anyone from being able to see his birth records. There have been dozens of lawsuits brought challenging whether he's constitutionally qualified to be president. Lawsuits have been filed against the hospitals in Hawaii to force them to produce any records they have of his birth. To date, all of these legal actions have been vigorously fought by President Obama to keep his birth information secret. What is he hiding? Why not simply put an end to all of this by producing his birth certificate? On today's program, I have with me attorney Gary Kreep, who's the executive director of the United States Justice Foundation. Gary has been on the front lines of trying to force the president to produce his official state of Hawaii birth certificate. In just a minute, you're going to meet Gary, and he's going to explain to you why this is a very legitimate and serious issue. But first, I want you to watch this very special message on how you can take action, make your voice heard on this matter. It's obvious President Obama is trying to hide where he was really born. Today, you can join hundreds of thousands of other Americans and force President Obama to produce his birth certificate. Here's how. Where was President Obama born? Why does he refuse to produce his official state of Hawaii birth certificate? What's he hiding? Now your voice can be heard in this matter. The United States Justice Foundation has taken the lead in forcing President Obama to supply his official state of Hawaii birth certificate and prove he's constitutionally eligible to be president. You can help by going to your phone and calling 1-800-321-3247 to have your name added to a petition going to GOP leaders to force President Obama to obey the law. Join hundreds of thousands of Americans who simply want the truth. And as a thank you for being part of this petition drive, you will receive the specially created Got a Birth Certificate bumper sticker. Also, you can help the United States Justice Foundation in their efforts to force President Obama to produce his birth certificate by making a gift of $30 that will enable us to send a fax on your behalf to all 50 state attorney generals and U.S. Attorney General Eric Holder, demanding they force President Obama to supply his official state of Hawaii birth certificate. Your $30 gift will help us demand the attorney generals in all 50 states plus U.S. Attorney General Holder do their job and force President Obama to obey the law. Politicians, those entrusted with enforcing the law, the media, all refuse to force President Obama to prove where he was born, but you can. Go to your phone now and call 1-800-321-3247 and add your name to a special petition. And for your gift of $30, we'll send a fax on your behalf to all 50 state attorney generals and U.S. Attorney General Holder demanding they provide President Obama's official state of Hawaii birth certificate. Don't sit back, do nothing, act now, go to your phone, call 1-800-321-3247 and tell President Obama to prove where he was born.